Good morning, Galen. This is your professor, Dr. Neil Armstrong. I want to reach out and kind of show you kind of what I would do on this, since it appears we're kind of having a disconnect on this. So what you could do is you could go to, something like, I'm going to do over here, week 3 learning activity, or you can go to the modules and get to the part where you complete this. So you'll see these outlines of the sections that you need to look at in there. And then there's actually the assignments that you need to complete here. So let me see if I can go. I don't know that I have access to the student view of this. I don't. So let me go ahead and see if I can open up another tab and take you to kind of what the exams look like for the activities itself. Let's see. Test film. So it looks like you're going in there and you're looking at the lessons. You're not actually completing the assignment itself. So it would be the custom exam. Let's see. Custom exams. And then you go, let's see. If you want to see the Microsoft Excel, go in here. We're going to click on yours because we're not showing anything currently on there due that you've done. So you click on there. It won't actually let me see the assignment because you don't have anything done on there. Let me click on one of the other students on this. Let me click on the student from my last class so that there's not any kind of thing that's kind of messed up on that for you. So back on this class. When you click on that assignment link, it should take you to the assignment itself. So let's see. Custom exams. And I'm seeing where you're completing some of the small things, but you're not completing the assignment itself. So let me just click on this. So click on this. Review it right now. But when you click on it, it should come up and you should be able to go in there and take that exam. So let's see. We're actually doing these exams, these activities that it would actually let you pass the class. So I really need you to do these as soon as possible. Now I've extended all the ones for you so that you have that activity on there so you can do those. Just try to see if I can see it on the exams. So there's a view on there so I can do that, but it's been a minute since I've done that. Maybe view reports. Maybe I'll show you some kind of this. I'll show you that you haven't tested on that yet. Okay. So I'll show you an attempt so I can see a report on here and see kind of what we're doing on there. So these are 5 questions on the Excel exam. It'll kind of break off and tell you kind of what you did well and what you missed. And it finally opens up. So this is the lab report. That kind of checks off those things. And then you can see where those things came from as well. Hopefully this video helped out a little bit. If you have further questions, if you need help with anything, please feel free to let me know. Very imperative that you get this done because I don't want you to fail the class. I can extend due dates on this a little bit, but they usually don't let me go past a week after the class, so we can definitely discuss that if we need to. Thanks.